Starting a new job? You probably remember that stack of paperwork your employer hands you, and right in the middle of it is a form called the W-4. Most people just fill it out quickly and move on, but this little form actually plays a big role in how much money you take home every month. So today, let's break down exactly what a W-4 is, what it does, and how to fill it out the right way. The W-4 form, officially called the Employee's Withholding Certificate, tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. Think of it as the form that decides whether you'll owe the IRS at tax time or get a refund. If you claim too little tax, you might owe money later. If you claim too much, the government keeps more of your paycheck until refund season. When you fill out your W-4, you'll give information about your filing status: single, married, or head of household, how many dependents you have, and whether you have other jobs or extra income. You can also add additional withholding if you'd rather pay a little more now to avoid surprises later. For example, if you have a side hustle or freelance income that doesn't have taxes withheld, you can list that on your W-4. Or if you have kids and qualify for the child tax credit, you can claim that to have less tax withheld. The IRS updated the W-4 a few years ago to make it easier, no more complicated allowances or guesswork. Now it's straightforward. The form walks you through 5 simple steps, and there's even an online calculator on the IRS website to help you estimate the right numbers. So in short, your W-4 is your way of telling your employer how much tax to send to the IRS on your behalf. Update it whenever your life changes, like getting married, having a child, or picking up a second job, because those things can change your taxes. Filling out your W-4 correctly means more control over your paycheck and no tax time surprises. If this helped you understand the form better, give it a like, follow for more tax tips, and if you need any help filing your W-4,